In this tutorial, I'll talk about how to connect the VideoPipe application to the processing programming environment via OSC networking. So the first thing we need to do is we need to tell the processing environment how to talk to our library, and I've found here the VideoPipe application bundle, and I can show the package contents of it. So inside of the contents, I can find the VideoPipe.jar. So this is the object you want to copy. You want to then go into the processing directory. So this directory is in your user directory under documents. There you have a libraries directory. You want to create a VideoPipe directory under libraries and a library directory under VideoPipe. And this is where you put the VideoPipe.jar object. And once this is all set, the processing environment is ready to go, and it's ready to start talking to our VideoPipe library. So I can open it up right here, and I have a test sketch ready to go. So now let me show you what's going on in the VideoPipe application. So basically we have the movie source providing us with the I Am Iron Man movie, feeding it into a threshold module. The threshold module is controlled by this scaler here, and it's a regular slider scaler, except it's called an OSC scaler with a channel called scaler. So that means that I can set the value through this UI here, but also the value can be set via the network on the scaler channel. The video of the threshold module gets sent to an OSC video sync that has the channel name video, and I'm going to unconnect that for now. The video is also passed into this blob detection object that finds continuous white space in the threshold image, and what gets output from this module is a list signal of blobs, and that gets sent over OSC via a channel called blobs in this OSC Java list sync module. Good, so this is the setup we have on this side over here. Now I go back to the processing module. I'm going to change the 640 by 480. I'm going to change the size of the window to be a little bit bigger. And now I'll go to the sketch menu and import library VideoPipe. That creates a whole bunch of import statements up here. And we don't need all of these import statements, but we can just keep them around anyway. So the main object that we use is called VideoPipe OSC Manager. So I'm just going to create one right here. The thing about that one is that we need to update it in the draw method. So I need to just call update on it right here in the draw method. So right now I'm basically, I can start using OSC. So what I'll do here is in the mouse dragged, I'll just send a scalar value via our VideoPipe OSC manager. So I'll type man.send scalar. I'm using the channel scalar, and I will send the value of my the X position of my mouse. So if I run this processing sketch, you can see that as I drag around in the processing window, the OSC scalar actually moves around because it's receiving the X coordinate of my mouse via the network and actually using it to threshold the image up here. This is great. Now we're sending data out of our processing environment into the VideoPipe app. So now I'm going to receive information from the VideoPipe into our processing application. So for that, I will create a VideoPipe list receiver object. And that list receiver object is going to receive the list of blobs. So I'm going to call it blob receiver. And when I create receivers, I need to register them with the manager. So in the setup method, I'll call man.addHandler. I'll use the blobs channel and add the blob receiver as the handler. So in the draw method, I can now get that list of blobs. So I'll create a list of blobs. List equals equals blob receiver dot get list. And if I received something, we will print out the size of the list. Excellent. So I'm going to run this application now. So you can see that we're getting a list. We're receiving a list on every frame. Mostly it has 0 blobs inside of it, but if I change the thresholding value, I can get a lot more. I can receive a lot more blobs. Very good. So the last step is just to receive the image via this OSC video sync. So I'll connect the video sync like so, and then I will create a VideoPipe image receiver object. This one also has to be registered with the manager. The channel is called video, and in the draw method I can receive the video and if we received an image on this tick, we can draw it. Great, so now I'll try running this sketch. Excellent, and we get the video right there. So if I drag in this video, it actually changes the thresholding value in the VideoPipe application and then feeds the resulting video back to my processing application. Very good.